That was a great introductory activity of the juggling with the names and learning our names. And now that we know each other, we're going to move on to a little bit more of a challenge called TP Shuffle. Okay, before we get stepped onto this apparatus or this activity, we want to make sure that we have some guidelines set up. Okay, one, we're not going to step up on here until we have all our safety rules. Okay, and we're going to make sure that we are safe before we step on it. I just said that. That's good. Okay, so TP Shuffle. We have this long telephone pole, and you guys are standing right in front of it. We're not going to step on it until you are instructed to do so. I'm going to tell you a story. A story about two tribes. There's a mango tribe that is on this side of the river, and there is a avocado tribe on this side of the river. So they have a problem. The mango kids don't like to eat mangoes. They're actually allergic to them. And the avocado kids can't eat avocados. They're actually allergic to them. And the only way to trade and eat is to actually cross over this bridge and get each other safely to the other side so we can eat. So, your challenge today is going to be this. I'm going to split you up after you step onto the apparatus, or before you do, and tell you where the actual line is of mangoes and avocados. Your challenge today is going to be to get all of the mangoes to the avocado side of the river and all of the avocados to the mango side of the river. Once you've completed that, then you've actually completed the challenge. Now, there's a few catches to this we need to know before we actually get started. One, when we step on the apparatus, we step on and step off. We don't jump on, we don't jump off, we don't do any other kind of crazy ways to enter on the apparatus. It's step up, step down, okay? The other thing is we want to make sure that we keep our hands to ourselves and that we're not going to do something called flailing. Flailing is when you do this. Okay, if you do this, you're going to knock the people down next to you, and that can be unsafe. So we want to make sure that if we are going to step off or feel like we're going to lose our balance, we're just going to step off. We're not going to fall off. We're going to try to step off either on the front or on the back, whichever is safest for us. Okay, let's see. Let me think of anything else we need to say. Oh, be careful of splinters and different things on the pole if you're actually rubbing up against the pole or sitting on the pole, or if you think you're going to scoot on it, just be careful, okay, so you don't get splinters. Anybody have any questions? Okay, I'm going to split you into groups and let's get started.